वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांना तुमका येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आणि आता जावन आसा 4 हिंगासर. तुम्ही बरी आसतली म्हणून मानता हांव. चाव बा जाली तुमची. सो टुडेज वर्ड इज mango in English, ambo in Konkani. Okay, so today I'm going to show you instant pickle where you don't have to dry the mangoes or you don't have to keep it in sun. Okay, these are like 5 mangoes. 1 2 3 4 5 5 mangoes. So this I will be drying and then it can be used for a curry. So these are finely cut. Then what you want for pickle masala, there are many recipes of mine where pickle masalas are there, but I will show you again. So these are 5 mangoes. This is roasted fennel seeds. Then this is roasted methi, that is fenugreek seeds. Then this is kalonji, which is black sesame. And this is cumin. You need hing, salt. Then we need yellow mustard seeds. Then we need normal black mustard seeds. And turmeric powder, which is homemade. Then chili powder, also homemade. And Kashmiri red chili powder, that is also homemade. So we need all these things. So now quantity is, we have to grind this. So what we need to grind is this. So this is 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, so this is methi, saunf, then normal jeera, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of black sesame, that is kalonji, and this we have to now grind. So all was roasted in a low flame, separate. Now I will grind this to fine powder. Now if you want to grind along with this, then let's grind this also, so all gets together. So I will take 4 teaspoons of this size of degi ya chili powder, normal chili powder, like spicy one, and Kashmiri I am adding now. 4 of Kashmiri, 1 of turmeric powder, and 2 of coriander powder. Okay, now we'll grind this, then I will show you next procedure. So this is ready. Now what we'll do, we'll add little of this, 1 teaspoon of this, and we'll again grind this. Okay, 1 of this yellow, which is very tasty actually, and 1 of this, and we'll grind it little bit coarse, fat. So this is ready. Okay, so we'll make this now. Okay, so we'll add our 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard and a normal mustard seed. So you get it in the market. It's also known as mustard dal, lentil, but it's not, it is mustard seeds. We'll allow this curry leaves, mustard, and let it a little bit crackle. And 1/4 teaspoon of our hing, that is asafoetida. So once this is crackling, we'll put on the gas. Now we'll add salt. So around, salt to taste, 4 to 5 teaspoon of salt, and mix this all nicely along with this This is instant pickle. So as soon as it's done, you can eat. We transfer this on here. Now we'll add oil. Now if you want to cool down the oil, let it cool down, but I am adding like this. Now for those who want to add jaggery, you can add jaggery at this point. Sugar, if you want to add, you can add sugar at this point. It's up to you. So this is done, and this biscuit is ready to eat. Instant biscuit, instant mango pickle is ready to eat. तर मानता तुमकां ह्यो आवडटलो. जे तुमी पयले आसतले मसालो बिसालो सगळो भाजून लायला आनी भाजलेलो हांवें पयलो एक एक वस्त हांवें सेपरेट भाजून दवरलेली. मागीर ती वांटून घेयात. मिरसांगेचो पिठो आमी कितें करून दवरतात तो घातलेलो, हळदीचो पिठो आनी कोरियंदा पिठो. आनी कोणाक गोड घालूंक जाय ते गोड घालात, कोणाक नॉर्मल तेल घालूंक जाय ते नॉर्मल तेल घालात. तो ते सगळे तुमचेर आसा. ओके. आनी हें जावन आसा आमचें मिस्कूट तयार. एन्जॉय करात हें मिस्कूट. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं.